Hi everyone, welcome back to Ice Caves. Last video we got the How to Program book, but we've been doing the Ready Player 2 event items, but today we're going to be doing the Roblox Battles swords, or at least the blue sword. So I want to get these done because I want to be able to do the final battle on Saturday. So what we need to do first is just build a little, if you have a good boat, build that, but I don't have a boat, so I'm just going to build a small little platform. Hopefully that'll work. Just put that down, whatever. And then put that down and that down. Okay, I'll just use this. Should work fine. And what you want to do is just drive your boat, and it's easiest if you have steering, so it's a good thing I have that, but just come on down over here, but don't go to the next stage. That is what you do not want to do, because instead what we're going to do is come behind this waterfall right here. So this is why it's easiest if you can steer. Just hop on right there, and there's this little secret passageway that will lead into this library. So what you need to do is don't click any of these books. You have to do them in the right order. So it's on the potions, but what you need to do is this yellow book, then this red book. Okay, that worked. It glitched, so it didn't show, but it's okay. Then that pink one, then this cyan one, and then you need to do this green one right here. Then it will open up this door. Now you can come get a free item right here if you haven't gotten it already, but now what you need to do is do a different pattern. It's right down here. Do this yellow, this green, then black, purple, black. And you'll hear a little magical sprinkle thing. And this door will open up and you'll see this machine. Now this is just a cutscene, so you can just wait for it to end. Okay, I think, yeah. And now these platforms, or the floor, will open up. And now you see this whole machine thing, and you need to do a code. So first, the middle one is like this. Oops, I did that wrong, I think. Yeah, I did that wrong. Oh no, I think, okay, there we go. That's the middle one. And then this second one, or the first one, I guess, is, okay, yeah, I did that. Hold on. It's not the first row, it's the second row. Oops. And there's that one. And then this one, you're going to make a B with the white. So it's a little bit harder because you have to make it with the white, not with yeah. And then I think somewhere around this, like I think no. This one's a little bit tricky. Okay, there we go. That's what I thought it was. I thought I already did that, but I guess I didn't try that. Don't fall right there. A lot of people fall right there. Well, I guess if you did, maybe you could jump from there. But just come down here. And if you didn't do that code right there, you cannot flip this lever. But if you did the code, you'll be able to flick it, and this portal will open up. So now, come into this portal right here, and it'll do a little whee! And you'll get teleported to the secret place. And there you guys go. That's how you get the blue sword. Just kidding. There's a boss fight too. So, that's it. He steals sword, and now it's activated the boss fight. So, for this part, he just sends out some lasers. So, just dodge them, it's not too difficult. Starts making a lot more, but just try and dodge them the best you can. As long as you don't die, it's okay, because after all these lasers, once the lasers are all done, you get healed. And that's how it is for all the little parts of this. After you do a little part, you get healed all the way. So, as long as you don't die in one of these parts, you should get healed. So, okay. Lasers are taking a little long. Oh no, I think yeah. But see, if I got hurt, and it doesn't really matter, because as long as I don't die, then I get healed. So, just do these jumps, and then what you want to do is stand on these black things and then jump, because the lasers will be gone. Just get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Jump. And this part, you want to just stand in between here. You do not want to jump, because you cannot jump that. And now you need to get on over to this part. This is going to drag the floor down. And more lasers. And now he breaks that platform, and you get a new platform. And also, don't click return. That will make you start over. So don't click return until you've done. Okay, see, I got healed, so that's good. And now he should do a new attack. Yep, this one you can just wait for it to turn orange and then run and jump. That's the best way to do it. Just do these. And now he'll start to make the floor disappear a little, but as long as you stay somewhere without the floor, with the floor, then it should be fine. Uh-oh. Jeez. Okay, it's glitching. Whoa. That was some bad glitches, but okay. Or you can, well, yeah. If you're good enough, you can just stand still and wait for it to do it, but I don't know. I'll try one more time, but I don't think I can do that. Okay, there. So you can do that, but it's easiest just to run. So if you think you can do that, then do that, but otherwise just run. And now he'll make the sides fall in. He's just gonna keep trapping you like this, making it harder, but can still. This part I'd say try, you can try moving, but there's not much you can move to, so you can just try doing that. And then you get healed again. And new attack. It's gonna smash you. For this, you should just try and stay on the corners, and then wait for the red, because then you're gonna make him not take up as much tiles. So just like that, wait for it to turn red. See right here, he's only gonna take up 4. So I'm like this. So try and make him take up as least you can. So just try and get into these corners. If you don't feel comfortable doing this, you don't have to, but that's what I like to do because he takes up less and you have all this space now. So for this one, just basically wait for him to start like throwing it or whatever, and then just walk away and don't go back, because if you just do that, it's a pretty easy attack. Just sit there, wait, and then run. So now you get healed again, and it's gonna do this again, but a little faster. And now you see this self-destruct button. What you want to do is make him hit this, and then he self-destructs himself. And now he's exploded himself and your screen will turn all white. Just wait and it'll go away after like 10 seconds or something. And there you go. That is how you get Russo's Sword of Truth. And now you can go onto your avatar and you can equip it right there. And if you already have 2 items on your back like me, you can come over to clothing and then back and then go to advanced. And well, actually before you go to advanced, right click on it, what the item you want to put to your back, and do open link in new tab. And now what you want to do is just double click on this number right here and copy it, CTRL and then C, or just right click and copy, and then paste it in here using CTRL B or control, whatever you want to say. And then you can press save, and then if you reset your character, actually I think we might, I don't know. Okay, well now it's going to teleport us back, and now you have 2 items equipped. So thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. Bye!